How to offload unused apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, go to iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down to the Offload Unused Apps sections. Then, tap on Enable beside it. This feature automatically offloads unused apps when you're low on storage. Your documents and data will be saved. And then, scroll down and tap on Show All to view all the apps. Select the app you want to offload from here. For example, Subway Surf. Then, tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again to confirm. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. If you want to install it again, then tap on Reinstall App over here. Following these steps, you can easily offload unused apps on iPhone.